Hey, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm taking on the bell. Not the Liberty Bell, the Taco Bell. I am showing you how to make Taco Bell's famous nacho fries with their cheese sauce. Let's get cooking. Grab yourself a bunch of russet potatoes. My recipe is 4 in it, but guess what? I want more, so I'm doing 5. Just peel them. Now that the potatoes are naked, just take your knife and cut it into 1/2-inch fries. Potatoes are cut. Cast iron skillet with about 1 inch or so of oil in there. That should be at around 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This first step is called blanching it. We're just gonna cook them until they start a little bit to get golden brown around the edges. That'll make sure it's nice and cooked. Then we're gonna fridge it, and then when we fry it again, it'll get extra crispy. And there's a little fast food secret to extra crispy fries. Keep watching. Take your fries straight into the oil, and you'll notice there's not gonna be that much simmering. There obviously will be some, but the goal here is just to cook the potatoes, not to get them super brown. These have been frying for about 5 to 6 minutes. Take them out. As you can see, there's a little bit of golden brown almost starting to form, but none of real color. None of real color. There's no real brown color. The color brown exists. There's not a lot of browning on these fries. They are just nice and cooked through. This is the secret. Then you're like, Eitan, this is so annoying. I just want to fry them once. I don't want to have to do all this. Well, do you want good fries or do you want great fries? That's the question I have for you. My fries are in the fridge at least 30 minutes. Now, let's make the secret spice mixture. A little bit of smoked paprika into your bowl, followed by garlic powder. Garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder in there, salt, chili powder for some spice, and then the final ingredient is one of the coolest ones. This is powdered cheddar cheese. Powdered cheddar cheese is going to give you that nice cheesiness on the outside and that's a little bit of fat. It is really the secret ingredient. Heat up your pot, add in your butter. We are making a roux because we're making our cheese sauce, so just melt that butter. This is not what you're supposed to do with the butter, but I just personally enjoy spinning it around the pan. Now that the butter is melted, add in your all-purpose flour. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that it's nice and tan, we have our blonde roux, and just start slowly pouring in your milk while whisking. That's all in. Whisk, keep that on a nice medium-high flame to bring to a simmer, and that roux is going to thicken our milk. Keep on whisking that up till it's nice and thick. The way to tell if it is ready is take 1 spoon, coat the back, use your finger, draw a line. If it holds the line, it is ready. Now it is cheese time. I'm starting with American cheese. Slowly add that in and just whisk, and then once you see it kind of melt, keep adding more. That has all melted. I know it can seem annoying to do it slowly, but it really results in a much less grainy cheese sauce, so it's worth the effort. Just slowly add in your Gruyere. You can also use Fontina. Once melted, finally add in your cumin and cayenne straight into there. Whisk it up. And you have a cheesy cheese sauce. Look at that. The cheesiness is unmatched. My fries are done chitlin', and now here is the secret to the perfect fast food fries. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take some cornstarch, add in water into there, stir that up, and this cornstarch batter is gonna get that extra crispness on the outside. That looks perfect. You kind of want it to almost look like whole milk. Take your fries, place them into here. And now, one of the big challenges with doing this method, even though it is worth it, is that you're gonna get some sticking. So I recommend using tongs to place in oil. Now my oil should be heated to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit now, and you wanna just use your tongs to make sure that they don't stick together too much. And now straight into the oil. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Wowzers. At this point, you could use the tongs to just kind of make sure your fries aren't sticking together. Once they're nicely golden brown, drain off the excess oil and then straight onto another paper towel lined baking sheet. Immediately out of the oil, hit them with some kosher salt. Fries into your large bowl, then top with a hefty amount of our seasoning mix, just like that. Toss your fries in the air. Whoa, there we go. Get those fully coated. Now it's time for a little French fry ASMR. Very crispy. Oh. It's so hot and burn my mouth, but I don't care. And now let me just, you know what, I'm not even gonna dip it. I'm just gonna just drizzle. Oh, wow. Drizzle a whole lot of cheese sauce on my fry. Can I do a little cheers? Come here, my friend. Cheers. Oh. That is intensely delicious. Between the perfect pillowy inside the fry, the crispy exterior, the seasoning mix that just gives you all little bits of flavor, and then that just melty, fatty cheese. This is not just a food, this is an experience. You can make this at home. If you want the recipe, you can find it on eitanbernath.com. Comment down below, what is your personal favorite fast food item? Maybe do you want me to recreate it? I would love to know. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe here for more videos. If you need me, I am just gonna go into a room, turn off the lights, and eat these. You judging me? You would do it too.